Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn photo to oil painting effect in Photoshop. Let's start. Open, select the image. I am making oil painting effect on this image. Okay, go to layer, select the background, Ctrl plus J, copy the new layer, go to image, adjustment, shadows and highlights. Shadows amount make it 27, highlights 0. Okay, go to levels, Ctrl L, open the levels window, little increase the levels. Go to again Ctrl J, copy one layer, go to filter, others, high pass, select high pass, radius needed 2 or 2.5, make it 2.5. Okay, go to layer window, make a layer mode, overlay. This is overlay. Go to overlay, see, little sharp the image, then select the both layer, merge the single layer, go to merge layer, go to merge, yeah, this is the both layer are merged. Again filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. This is unsharp mask. Enable the preview, make a amount 150, make a 150 amount, radius 2 is nice. Okay, this is 0. Okay, then go to filter, stylish, diffuse. This is the diffuse windows, move to anisotropic, make anisotropic. See, not a fill. Little grains in there. Go to image rotation 90 degree, filter, diffuse. Again use diffuse, and one more. Image rotation again 90 degree, filter, diffuse. See, little better. Again rotation 90 degree, filter, again diffuse. Make a 360 degree, make a diffuse, again 90 degree, filter, diffuse. See, now have a soft hair and everything. You make a oil paint effect. Go to filter, noise, select the noise, reduce the noise, make a strengthful again change 10, previous details 0, reduce the color noise 0, everything is 0. Only going to increase the strength. See the preview. Okay, the oil paint effect is complete. Just make a name oil painting. This is oil painting. Again, Ctrl J, copy layout. This is detail. Go to filter, others, make a high pass 2.5. OK, and go to layer mode, overlay. Make a new layer for lighting. This is the lighting. Just have a lighting effect. Go to brush tool, opacity 90%, and brush size. Increase the full image power. Okay, fill the color red. Just one pick. This side I am using color blue. Just one pick. Go to layer, make a mode. This is also overlay. See the light effect. Make a overlay. The light will come in images. See, this is the oil painting in Photoshop. See the hair, everything. Make a painting mode. This is the oil painting effect. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.